Good morning. I am welcoming you back again in the Matrix Algebra to SciLab elective course, and we are going to perform the finding the inverse of the matrix if it exists. So, why I am doing that, I will explain you. If I put A being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then inverse of A, it is giving me the answer. Okay, and I don't want this type of answers appearing or even special this type of problems. So I want that matrix is not invertible. So uh, if matrix is actually not invertible, I should get that answer, and means answer is matrix is not invertible, and if it is invertible, I want output that in matrix is inverse is this. So in that case, I am performing the process using SciNode. So again, function inv. The small inv was stored command. Capital inv is not stored command. So I can make a command for inv. Again, I am doing the c being the size of a, and then if c11 is same as c12, then it will do something else. It will display this printf given matrix is not a square matrix. Correct? Now for this part, that if c11 is same as c12, then it should perform again, it will evaluate value of k, that is c11. You can start with c12 also, because anyhow you are getting the same value. Let me be the EY identity matrix of the size k by k. And you know that we are used to do is just add matrix B to A using this fact. Let me write C तो हमने यूज कर लिया है. Let me write D B A first of all. So A is stored as now D. Then in D I am adding the columns from 1 plus k to 2k, that is k plus k. Let me write which columns, that is the columns from B. So let me just write B. Then find the RREF, the RRE form of D, and let me store it as another matrix D. RRE form of D is evaluated, and that is as D. Now what I will do is I will compare these first k entries. If it is same as the identity matrix of order k by k, then matrix is invertible, otherwise not. So if D from 1 to k is same as B, then it will do something, otherwise else. Printf given matrix is not a square matrix. Correct? And here I have to write the end of this if. Correct? So here in then I have to write something. If it is the identity matrix, it should delete the initial columns. So D this comma 1 to k will be deleted, and then it will display D. Correct? So that is what I want to perform. So let me just save and execute. Inverse, um, it is executed. First of all, INV of A, 7th line of the function submatrix incorrectly defined. 7th line is this. Oh, sorry. Given matrix is not a square matrix. See, previously INV of E was giving me answer, but this capital INV is not giving me the answer. So that is the first thing. And in my A, if I replace this by 10, see what happens. INV is giving me the answer, and what the capital INV giving me is the same answer. That is the inverse of my given matrix. Okay, if I replace A by some non-square matrix, then it will give me that given matrix is not a square matrix, while this will give you some another string that square matrix expected, correct? And please use PINV otherwise. So what this PINV is giving you something inverse of matrix, even not for the square matrix. That is not a part of our course, but just I have explained. Okay, so this was the sign note to find the inverse of this matrix using that RRE process, correct? That RREF. Okay, and in next lecture we will discuss about to evaluate the sign note. Sorry, we will use the sign note to find out the characteristic polynomial and to check the Cayley-Hamilton theorem for that. Okay, so I am stopping this session here. Thank you. Do the practice of the same and try to make the sign note for finding the characteristic polynomial and checking the Cayley-Hamilton theorem by your own also. Okay, thank you. Also try to find out the inverse of matrix using that characteristic polynomial, the process. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.